see, we only have 5 riders, and it looks like it's Josiah Hung. Oh, beg your pardon, there are 6. I didn't see him for a moment. He was hiding from me. See Josiah Hung at all. It's Esther Heitson who's got the pole position though. And in fact, Josiah Hung in 2nd place. Where did he come from? Shane Perkins in 3rd, followed by the other Malaysian, Azizul Awan.
टर्नी के पीछे है राइडर नंबर 69 एडगर रॉस।
Still Esther Heitson from home with Shane Perkins from Australia, sandwiched between 2 Malaysians. England's Peter Mitchell in 5th, and Ross Edgar, one of the most experienced, along with Shane Perkins I suppose, in Keirin racing, right at the back at the moment. The Olympic silver medalist in Beijing 2 years ago, behind Chris Hoy, now Sir Chris Hoy.
रॉस एडगर के तुरंत पीछे हैं बर्नार्ड एस्टरहाइज़न। स्प्रिंट को अब 2 लैप बचते हैं।
Well, the pacer comes off and Esther Heitson suddenly finding himself with quite a lead here at 2 laps to go.